Good morning, I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, and you're listening to Earthcast, SOS.com. Why do some people dislike trees with vengeance? In particular, Queenslanders, more specifically liberal politicians, which down under means neocons, and perhaps labor lawmakers too. What is going on? In 2011 and 12, Queenslanders cleared a stunning amount of native forests, or over 300,000 acres. Queensland is a mecca for life, for nature, the most diverse on the Australian continent. There's approximately 12,000 square miles of gorgeous native subtropical and tropical rainforests in Queensland, with over 4,700 kinds of plants and more than 700 species of rare or threatened plants and animals. The reason nature is in big trouble? Deforestation. No! Let me remind you that in nature, when critters and plants lose their homes, they die. In 2014 and 15, over 650,000 acres that year of native rainforests were destroyed. No, that's more than double 2011 and 12. What in Sam Hill is going on? The former Liberal state government of Queensland relaxed the laws and chainsaws kept on killing nature. The state government, now Labor, are debating whether to lower the rate. What? Are they out of their minds to keep killing nature at this accelerated rate? Ecocide. It's so bad that a May report disclosed that southeastern koalas face imminent extinction. Huge swaths of Australia's biggest and most important koala populations are effectively extinct. No! Land clearing and destruction of koala habitat over the past 20 years in southeastern Queensland, Koala Coast and Pine River regions, over 3,860 square miles, has been raped. Over 80% of all koalas there are gone. Gone means forever. That the Queensland Labor government is even debating whether or not to lower the destruction of its native forests is shameful. Ladies and gentlemen, we need nature. Nature doesn't need us. Queensland lawmakers are weak and clearly influenced by developers. How bloody pathetic and awful for the animals and nature. Hashtag shame on Queensland lawmakers. I say fire all the lawmakers, or as the Aussies would say, sack 'em. Hashtag save nature now. Hashtag love nature. Hashtag love is the solution. Earthcast SOS depends upon you, the listeners, so don't be shy. Come on to drreese.com, DRRESE.com. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on that donate button and pick yourself up any number of terrific books on bees, trees, seas, wild weather, and life, the wonder of it all. Just do it, drreese.com. I'm Earth Dr. Reese Halter, reminding you to protect our planet.